Hello, my good friends. This is Dan Merkin, your favorite CEO at Trade Ideas. Just continuing to reiterate, why is it that Trade Ideas is the number one piece of tech that you should have in your bag? And our YTM is the answer. Again, we told you, our software told you about it during this move right here, and it has continued and continued and continued. And you look at the percentages, there's just nobody else that shows it to you like this in this relative way. But by the way, you can come here, take a look, and look at other things when RITM was also winning and see like what's going on. So here, since I'm not in it, I'm just going to put a little breakout buy into that. And this is it. This is the advantage player way. I've demonstrated it before, but I'm showing you, this didn't stop at 771 when I showed it to you the price this morning. Look, it's a point higher. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing else like this. It's time for you to make your move, make your switch to Trade Ideas. It's time.